Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by opening the PlayStation Store from your PS5 home screen. Navigate to the Add-ons and Themes section to view curated options. Find themes in the PlayStation Store under Add-ons and Themes. Browse official dynamic themes, static wallpapers, and seasonal packs. Themes can be free or paid, often ranging /bin/sh to $99. Use search filters to show free only or sort by popularity. Check PlayStation Plus perks for exclusive themes and limited drops. Download the theme to your library before attempting to apply it on the console. After choosing a theme, select Buy or Add to Library and confirm the purchase. Download the theme to your library before applying it on the console. Wait for the download to finish. Check notifications for progress and completion. Return to the PS5 home screen to apply the new theme. From the home screen, press Options and select Customize to change themes. Choose the new theme from Installed or Library and press Apply to set it immediately. Restarting the console fixes occasional display glitches after applying themes. You can use custom images as backgrounds by saving them into Media Gallery or using a USB drive. Use 3840 x 2160 JPEG images under 10 MB for best custom background results. Copy images into a folder named Images on the FAT32 or XFAT USB drive. Plug the USB drive into the PS5, then open Media Gallery and select Set as Background. Store images on a USB drive or in the PS5 Media Gallery to set them. Update system software if themes fail. Insufficient storage may block downloads.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.